Hello guys, and welcome back to another stock market update. I make videos every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, so please make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell on the video so you're notified whenever I post. So let's look at the stock market. So in looking at the Nasdaq, we've talked about this being a 1-2-1-2 or being a triangle. Really, it doesn't really matter which one it is. We are currently breaking out. We had a huge move on Friday in response to the job numbers. They were lower than expected, which means the Fed is going to keep interest rates lower for longer, at least until September. So the tech sector took that as a positive news. That is very, low interest rates are very positive for tech. So that caused this move. So we've broken from this downtrend line. We pierced this trend line. So this week we're going to be looking for follow through to the upside. And again, I don't know whether this is a 1-2-1-2 or a triangle. All I know is that we just broke out. So, and also all I know is that this right here kind of looks a lot like this right here. If I put these lines on it, I know this isn't going to be perfect, but if you put the lines here and here, that kind of sort of resembles that. I mean, this isn't beautiful, but it's a similar shape. So we want to see this trend line hold, and we want to build and move higher in the tech sector. In looking at the individual stocks that lead this market, first starting with Apple. Apple, we've talked about it looking terrible. Previously, it was below these moving averages, and it was below this downtrend line I put right here. On Friday, we had a little pop. One day of pop does not mean anything. It closed above this moving average, which is a great sign. It broke above this downtrend line, which is also great. It held this long diagonal support going back to September. So, I mean, it's just one day, but we will see what happens from here. So Apple is starting to show signs of life, which is great for the market. Amazon isn't quite doing the same thing. It didn't quite make as great of a move as Apple. But I mean, if you go back in the past 3 years or so, there was a long period of time where I believe back here where Amazon just traded sideways. This was like most of 2019, where Amazon just traded sideways, and then the market overall moved higher. So I mean, it's possible for Amazon to trade sideways as the market goes higher. So I don't put as much faith in Amazon as I do Apple to be an indicator for this market. So we will see what happens with Apple. Microsoft looks great. It resembles the Nasdaq more closely than Apple or Amazon. It notice how it made this run up. It pulled back. It did not retrace the entire move like Apple and Amazon had. Or more like Apple had, really. I don't think Amazon retraced the whole move, but it didn't retrace this whole move, and it's breaking out from this downtrend line, and things are looking positive. So we want to see if Microsoft, like QQQ, can hold above this line and move higher. Next, let's take a look at Bitcoin. I want to look at the weekly chart on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still consolidating for a huge move. We had a double inside week. So not only was this candle from last week, not only was this inside of that, but the candle from this most recent week was inside the candle from the previous week. So Bitcoin is getting tighter and tighter for a bigger move. And which way this breaks is going to change whether I keep this numbering for our Elliot wave or if I'm going to change it. So we will see. The VIX had a huge drop on Friday and closed near the low of the day, which is bullish for equities. And then the VVIX is starting to give it up as well. So the VVIX is pulling back. So that is also very bullish for the market. So other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said at the top of the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and comments down below. And other than that, just have an awesome week trading. Bye.